This is a little shout out about my website. I'm going to have it up and running. And these are what you can also get off my website. The launches on these launches, which I lined up. You got the premium part, which I recommend you guys should get. And you got the free part. I don't recommend you use the free part. I recommend you use the. I'm gonna highlight a red in the. I'm gonna highlight these ones in red. This one's in green because I just feel like it. So yeah, these are all the stuff we give you. I'll give you. So yeah. So I'm gonna compress that. And then I'm gonna put on the website good. If you really, that's just the thing if you want to check your skin if you don't have fun. So I'm going on the website. Snapshots and mods. Go to snapshots and mods. And I'm adding a file here. And this will be my. Don't take credit for these launches. I did not make the launches. I downloaded them and I put them in there. So trust me, none of them are viruses. I'm not trying to get any of you guys viruses. And I know they have got a zip file in here of them. Got a zip. I'm gonna find that zip. Go from the zip. And if I can find the zip file, you have documents. And you got markup launches too. And it's going to be uploaded to my website. It's going to be one of my websites. And then and also don't forget to check out this person's website. No joke. Don't forget to check out should I say yeah, Pokemon69's website. Yeah, so he is the owner of this website. And yeah, so you can click on me and find me on the website. So yeah, visit. So you know what I will do? I'm gonna go do something. So yeah, guys, that's basically I had to tell you in this episode, and bye.